Going to a tree? Where are you going? Yeah, he's going to a tree. That wind spiked up. He's trying to find cover. I don't blame him. I don't know if the video's capturing how much wind we have, but it is a blustery day. Alright. Where's the old freebie rod? So, today we are throwing around a little Micro Finesse Z-Man. I don't know what the heck they call it, but he's got stretch for days, and it's got a good little paddle motion. So honestly, I'd be impressed if we did 10 or so casts and didn't get something. Granted, I'm moving with the wind here, and I'm gonna have to go move up, get closer to that underwater tree, and then we'll start throwing around some more. Significantly here. I might actually drop my anchor today. That little PVC pipe is my marker on. Alright. That's a much better cast. Oop. Just a branch of some sort. What did I say? What did I say? This thing does so much work. What do we get? Little bass? Yeah, we got a little bass. Hey, baby, baby, baby. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop fighting. Stop. Yeah. Stop, my guy. Get that out of your face. Yeah, so that jig works so well. Cute little guy. I mean, he's tiny. He's maybe 7 or 8 inches. No, he's more than that, but still small. Thanks for playing. Yeah, this lure absolutely slays. I am a fan. Try one more and then we'll go find something bigger. And something behind me is whistling and it's driving me nuts. I don't know if it's gonna... a wind chime from hell.
And far to the rear along the worm's surface, Paul heard the beat of the goaders pounding the tail segments. The worm began picking up speed. Their robes flapped in the wind. The abrasive sound of their passage increased. Paul looked back, found Cheney's face.
Son of a bitch.
As he spoke to Stilgar.
That
Then I am a sand rider still? Hayam! You are a sand rider this day. Then I may choose our destination? That's the way of it. And I am a Fremen born this day here in the Habanya Erg. I have had no life before this day. I was as a child until this day. Not quite a child, Stilgar said. He fastened a corner of his hood where the wind was whipping it. But there was a cork sealing off my world, and that cork has been pulled. There is no cork. I would go south, Stilgar, 20 thumpers. I would see this land we make, this land that I've only seen through the eyes of others. And I would see my son and my family, he thought. I need time now to consider the future that is a past within my mind. The turmoil comes, and if I'm
it's a good fish.
I can unravel it, the thing will run wild.
Oh, we are a good fish.
Steady, measuring gaze. Paul kept his attention on Cheney, seeing the interest.
Oh, and of course it's under the frickin'... Don't you come off.
His words had kindled in the
Oh, right.
The men are eager to raid with you in the Harkonnen Sinks, Stilgar said. The Sinks are only a thumper away. The Vadaikin have raided with me, Paul said.
All right. Good fish. Oh, you're a beaut. Look at you, big fella. Come here, sweetheart. Don't shake a treble into my hand, would you? Get you out in a sec. But you can't put these in my hand or else we're gonna be bonded to each other in a way you don't like. Look at you. Yeah, I know, you're upset. I don't want hooks in my hand. Just be easy for a second. I will get you free, I promise. Alright, let's see. Alright. Hooks are free. I got video going for once on a good fish. Look at you. You absolute unit. Look at the gut on you, sweetheart. You are a big fish. Alright, let's see what you weigh in at, huh? This might be the best fish I've caught on GoPro. What's awesome is you came back for it. Oh, I should have zeroed first, huh? Alright, we're zeroed. What are we? 334. Good fish. Man, what a beaut. Look at her. Alright, sweetheart. Thank you so much for playing, alright? Let's get a video of you getting released, huh? And off she goes into the deep. Beautiful. I get my trebles out of the net. Because of course I callously tossed it there. All right. Get all these tangles out of my line. Vision 110 doing work.
You cannot guess what I want, Paul said. And he thought, I cannot back down. I must hold control over these people. You are Mudir of the Sandrite this day, Stilgar said. Cold formality rang in his voice. How do you use this power? We need time to relax. Time for cool reflection, Paul thought. We shall go south, Paul said. Even if I say we shall turn back.
Oh, another good fish?
When this day is over, we shall go south.
Oh, no, you're not as good.
A sense of inevitable
still good.
Folded Stilgar as he pulled his robe tightly around him. There will be a gathering, he said. I will send the
There will be a gathering.
He thinks I will call him out, Paul thought.
There will be a gathering. Oh, come on, man. Okay, no funny business. Oh, that one's in there deep. Why did I put them back in my back pocket? Why would I do that? Past Eric, what the fuck were you thinking? That's a better spot for them. Yeah, handsome little guy. Oh, I nicked you, didn't I? We'll get you back in the water. He's not bleeding bad, though. Actually, I don't see where I nicked you at all. Maybe just the fishing line got you? I don't know. Either way, I'm sorry, my guy. Back in the water you go. You have a good one, little guy. Are you gonna jump? Oh, yep, you jumped. Alright, let's get out of this nook before I end up in a tree. This is a good spot today, I think. We're gonna try it a few more times. See what else we can get off the vlogs.